Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to Science Classes from excelup.com. This is the second part of exemplar problem MCQs solution from chapter Life Processes of class 10th Science. Question 14. Which of the following statements is or are true about respiration? 1. During inhalation, ribs move inward and diaphragm is raised. Number 2. In the alveoli, exchange of gases takes place, that is, oxygen from alveolar air diffuses into blood and carbon dioxide from blood goes into alveolar air. Number 3. Hemoglobin has greater affinity for carbon dioxide than oxygen. And number 4. Alveoli increase surface area for exchange of gases. Options are A 1 and 4, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, and D 2 and 4. And the answer is 2 and 4. That is, exchange of gases takes place in alveoli, and alveoli increase surface area for exchange of gases. Question 15. Which is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? A. Nostrils, larynx, pharynx, trachea, lungs. B. Nasal passage, trachea, pharynx, larynx, alveoli. C. Larynx, nostrils, pharynx, lungs. And D. Nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea and alveoli. Answer is A. Nostrils, larynx, pharynx, trachea and lungs. So here is nostril and this is larynx, this portion is pharynx, these are tracheae and these are lungs. Question 16. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in A. Trachea and larynx, B. Alveoli of lungs, C. Alveoli and throat, and D. Throat and lungs. The answer is B. Alveoli of lungs. So alveoli are inside the lungs, and you can get clue for this answer in question number 14 also. Question 17. Which of the following statements is or are true about heart? Number 1. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from different parts of the body, while right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from lungs. Number 2. Left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to different body parts, while right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to lungs. Number 3. Left atrium transfers oxygenated blood to right ventricle, which sends it to different body parts. And number 4 is right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body, while left ventricle pumps blood to different parts of the body. Options are 1, B 2, C 2 and 4, and D 1 and 3. And the answer is C 2 and 4. As you can see in this diagram, that the deoxygenated blood always flows through the right side of the heart, as shown by blue color, and oxygenated blood flows through the left side of the heart. Okay, so then deoxygenated blood comes from different parts of the body and it goes to lungs for oxygenation, and after that the left part of the heart sends oxygenated blood to different parts of the body, and which are given in these statements number 2 and 4. Question 18. What prevents backflow of blood inside the heart during contraction? A. Valves in heart, B. Thick muscular walls of ventricles, C. Thin walls of atria, and D. All of the above. Answer A. Valves in heart. Question 19. Single circulation, that is blood flowing through the heart only once during one cycle of passage through the body is exhibited by A. Labio, chameleon and salamander, B. Hippocampus, Exocetus and Abbas, C. Hyla, Rana and Draco, and D. Whale, dolphin, turtle. Answer is B. Hippocampus, Exocetus and Abbas. These animals, they belong to Pisces, that is fish. Fishes, they have single chambered heart, so blood flows just once through the heart during one cardiac cycle. Okay. In case of A, chameleon and salamander, they are reptiles, so they have 3 chambers in their heart. Labio is a fish, Hyla, Rana, they are amphibians, Draco is a reptile, turtle is a reptile. So these animals, they have 3 chambers in their heart. Whale and dolphin are mammals, so they have 4 chambers in their heart. Question 20. In which of the following vertebrate groups heart does not pump oxygenated blood to different parts of the body? A. Pisces and amphibians, B. Amphibians and reptiles, and C. Amphibians only, D. Pisces only. The answer is D. Pisces only. In the previous question, I told that there is 1 chamber in the heart of a fish. So what happens? Blood comes to the heart and then it goes to the gills for oxygenation, and after that blood goes to different parts of the body from gills. So heart does not pump oxygenated blood in these animals. Question 21. Choose the correct statement that describes arteries. A. They have thick elastic walls. Blood flows under high pressure. Collect blood from different organs and bring it back to the heart. So certain parts are correct, but arteries, they do not collect blood from different organs. Okay, so this is wrong. B. They have thin walls. Blood flows under low pressure and carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. So the thin wall and low pressure, these are incorrect about arteries. C. They have thick elastic walls. Blood flows under low pressure, carry blood from the heart to various organs of the body. So low pressure is the wrong statement. D. They have thick elastic walls without valves inside. Blood flows under high pressure and carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. This is the correct statement. So arteries have elastic walls, thick wall, they don't have valves. Blood flows under high pressure and arteries carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. Question 22. The filtration units of kidneys are called A. Urethra, B. ureter, C. Neurons, and D. nephrons. Answer D. Nephrons. Question 23. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from A. water, B. chlorophyll, C. carbon dioxide, and D. glucose. Answer A. water. The solar energy is utilized to split a molecule of water, and the splitting of water molecule gives hydrogen ion and oxygen. Oxygen is liberated outside, and hydrogen ion is utilized for reduction of carbon dioxide to make carbohydrate. Question 24. The blood leaving the tissues becomes richer in A. carbon dioxide, B. water, C. hemoglobin, and D. oxygen. And the answer is carbon dioxide. Question 25. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? A. Organisms grow with time. B. Organisms must repair and maintain their structure. C. Movement of molecules does not take place in among cells. And D. Energy is essential for life processes. And the answer is C. Movement of molecules does not take place among cells. So the opposite of it is true, because movement of molecules takes place. Question 26. The internal cellular energy reserve in autotrophs, that is plants, is A. Glycogen, B. Protein, C. Starch, and D. Fatty acids. Answer is C. Starch. We know that plants, they store food in the form of starch. Question 27. Which of the following equations is the summary of photosynthesis? So these options, they are showing reactions between carbon dioxide and water, which results in formation of carbohydrate. In case of option A and D, along with carbohydrate, carbon dioxide and water are evolving. So these are incorrect because carbon dioxide does not get liberated after photosynthesis. So we need to focus on B and C, where oxygen is coming out after photosynthesis. Now, in case of option C, the equation is balanced, okay, which is not the case with B, and all the conditions are also mentioned, like chlorophyll and sunlight. So option C is the correct answer. So it is 6CO2 plus 12 H2O is equal to C6H12O6, that is carbohydrate, 6O2 plus 6 H2O. Question 28. Choose the event that does not occur in photosynthesis. A. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. B. Reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. C. Oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. And D. Conversion of light energy to chemical energy. And the answer is C. Oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a raw material for photosynthesis. It comes from outside rather than being made during photosynthesis. So this is the incorrect statement. Question 29. The opening and closing of a stomatal pore depends on A. Oxygen, B. Temperature, C. Water in guard cells, D. Concentration of carbon dioxide in stomata. And the answer is C. Water in guard cells. What happens when water comes inside the guard cells? The guard cells, they swell up and it results in opening of a stoma. When water goes out of guard cells, the guard cells become flaccid, which results in closing of a stoma. Question 30. Choose the forms in which most plants absorb nitrogen. 1. Proteins, B. Nitrates and nitrites, 3. Urea, 4. Atmospheric nitrogen. Options are A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 3 and 4, and D. 1 and 4. And the answer is B. 2 and 3. That is nitrates and nitrites and urea, because protein is made by plants, and plants, we know that they cannot utilize atmospheric nitrogen directly. So these are not the correct forms. Question 31. Which is the first enzyme to mix with food in the digestive tract? A. Pepsin, B. Cellulase, C. Amylase, D. Trypsin. Answer is C. Amylase. Amylase comes in along with saliva. So that is the first enzyme to get mixed with food. Question 32. Which of the following statements is or are correct? 1. Pyruvate can be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast. 2. Fermentation takes place in aerobic bacteria. 3. Fermentation takes place in mitochondria. And 4. Fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration. So fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration, and anaerobic respiration never takes place in aerobic bacteria, and it never takes place in mitochondria. So 1 and 4, they will be correct. So option C is the correct answer. Question 33. Lack of oxygen in muscles often leads to cramps among cricketers. This results due to A. Conversion of pyruvate to ethanol, B. Conversion of pyruvate to glucose, C. Non-conversion of glucose to pyruvate, and D. Conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. And the answer is D. Conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. It is because of deposition of lactic acid in the muscle cells that people get cramps and pain after strenuous physical activity. Question 34. Choose the correct path of urine in our body. A. Kidney, ureter, urethra, urinary bladder. B. Kidney, urinary bladder, urethra, ureter. C. Kidney, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. And D. Urinary bladder, kidney, ureter, and urethra. And the answer is C, which says kidneys, they are here. Then ureter, these are ureters, followed by urinary bladder and urethra. This is the last part. Question 35. During deficiency of oxygen in tissues of human being, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid in A. Cytoplasm, B. Chloroplast, C. Mitochondria, D. Golgi body. Answer is A. Cytoplasm. Pyruvic acid gets converted into lactic acid because of anaerobic respiration, and anaerobic respiration always takes place in cytoplasm. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.